Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an extraordinary find that is perfect for food lovers on the go. Introducing the best portable chopsticks with case. Whether you're enjoying sushi at a restaurant, snacking at a picnic, or traveling to your favorite Asian bistro, these chopsticks promise convenience, functionality, and a dash of style. So, let's dive into the details to see what makes these chopsticks stand out from the rest. First off, let's take a look at their design. These chopsticks come in a sleek, compact case that not only protects them but also keeps them clean and hygienic. The case is lightweight, making it a breeze to carry in your bag or backpack. Perfect for anyone who wants to enjoy their favorite dishes with ease, these portable chopsticks are designed. For those who don't want to compromise on quality or style when they're out and about. Now, let's talk about the features. The chopsticks are made from high-quality, food-safe materials, ensuring that you'll be able to use them time and time again without worrying about wear and tear. The textured surface also allows for a firm grip, making it easy to pick up everything from delicate sushi rolls to hearty noodles. Plus, the lightweight design means you won't feel weighed down when carrying them along with you. One of the most impressive aspects of these chopsticks is their versatility. You can easily use them at home for casual dining or bring them along for a camping trip, making them ideal for any setting. Their stylish appearance makes them suitable for both casual and formal occasions. Essentially, they blend seamlessly into any culinary experience. For those new to using chopsticks or needing a refresher, let's quickly cover some tips. To hold the chopsticks correctly, start with one chopstick resting in the crook of your thumb and the other positioned like a pen. Practice with a few small items at first, and gradually increase the difficulty with more intricate foods. With a little patience, you'll be an expert in no time. Now, let's discuss maintenance. It's essential to keep your chopsticks clean to ensure they stay in top condition. After each use, simply wash them with warm water and mild soap. The case can be wiped down easily as well, keeping everything hygienic and ready for your next meal. In conclusion, the best portable chopsticks with case are perfect for anyone who enjoys Asian cuisine, loves to travel, or simply wants a set of utensils that combines elegance with utility. From their convenient case to their durable materials, these chopsticks are designed for everyday use and make an excellent addition to your travel essentials. So, whether you're dining at home or enjoying a meal on the go, these chopsticks have you covered. Don't forget to check out the links below to grab your set. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed today's review, please hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting product showcases and critiques. See you next time.